David bought a small apartment in New York City, excited to move in. But when he opened the door, he realized it was so small that he could barely fit inside. He quickly stepped back and started planning renovations. He borrowed some money from his aunt and got sturdy materials to build extensions and shelves. The walls were reinforced with strong concrete and insulated windows to keep the place warm in winter and cool in summer. A bookshelf was built against one wall, with upper shelves holding decorative books and lower shelves storing his personal items and hobbies. A glass door kept dust away, and a floating desk with drawers held his clothes. This desk became David's study area, perfect for his online college courses. Next to the desk, he installed a kitchen cabinet with a built-in washing machine for his laundry and a mini fridge for his snacks. A dining table allowed him to relax after work. The countertop had a hole for an induction stove and a sink, serving as both a kitchen and a wash area. Above, a cabinet stored seasonal items and clothes. The bathroom was fitted with a hidden tank and a wall-mounted toilet, cleverly integrated into the wardrobe. A glass door and a shower head completed the shower area, and David even found space for a small built-in fish tank with a few fish to keep him company. The bedroom featured a sturdy frame with a soft mattress for a good night's sleep. The walls were padded for extra comfort, and shelves held his favorite bedtime books. A ladder made it easy to access the bed, and the hidden storage kept everything organized. David's tiny apartment is now a cozy and functional space. Follow us on social media, subscribe for more.